Welcome to HUITS IIT NEET Foundation online classes. Okay, today we are going to discuss the conceptual questions of basic geometrical ideas. Okay, yes, let us start. Now, first question is, which of the following geometrical objects has a definite length? Yes, given options are line, point, line segment, ray. Right. First of all, what is meant by point? A point is a mark of position which has no length, which has no breadth, and which has no height or thickness. Okay. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Yes. Next question. Number of end points do a ray have? Yes. What is meant by ray? Ray can be defined on the basis of a line segment. Again, what is meant by line segment? A line segment, if A and B are any 2 points, then the straight path between 2 points A and B is called line segment AB, and suppose this is the point A, this is the point B, then a straight path between 2 points A and B is called line segment AB. Suppose if a line segment AB can be extended indefinitely in one direction like this, then this is called a ray. A line segment can be extended indefinitely in one direction is called a ray, and it is denoted by ray AB like this, and here this is the one end point, there is no another end point in second direction. Therefore, what is the answer? Number of end points to a ray have is equal to 1. First option is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Number of lines can be drawn through a point is equal dash. Suppose let us take one point. Through this point, how many lines can be drawn? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this, we can draw so many lines. That means indirectly, infinite number of lines can be drawn through the given point. Therefore, what is the answer? Option C, infinite is the correct answer. Okay, let us go for next question. The minimum number of lines that must bind a plane figure is dash. Suppose with 2 lines, plane figure cannot be formed. If you take a 3 lines, then plane figure can be formed like this. Suppose one, 2, 3. Therefore, what is the answer? The minimum number of lines that must bind a plane figure is 3. Okay. Next question. Number of line segments in below figure are dash. Here, from the given figure, we can say that A, B, C are 3 points. That means AB is one line segment, AB is one line segment, BC is the second line segment, CA is the third line segment. Total how many line segments are there in the given figure? 3. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question. The number of line segments can be drawn with any 2 of the points as end points from the below figure. Okay, suppose here A is one point, B is another next point, C and D. Like this, here 4 points are there. Suppose if you join A and B, then one line segment will be formed. By joining B and C, second line segment. By joining C and D, third line segment. By joining A and D, fourth line segment. Next, by joining A and C, another line segment. By joining B and D, one more line segment. Finally, 6 line segments are formed. Okay, therefore, what is the correct answer? Option A, 6 is the correct answer. Okay, let us go for next problem. Which of the following is an open curve? Open curve means what actually? The curve which do not meet at their end points is called a open curve. Okay, then from the given options we can say very clearly option C is the open curve. Because remaining are looking like closed. Okay, therefore finally what is the answer? Option C. Let us go for next question. A dash of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Right. Let us draw circle first. This is a circle. Circle is nothing but set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Suppose, yes, and this point is called center and it is denoted by C. Now, these are all the points actually. Yes, I am taking one point on the circle that has A and take another point on the circle that has B. Yes, if you join A and B, one line segment is formed that is called chord. The line segment formed by joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. Therefore, from the given options, which is the correct one? Option D is the correct one. Okay, next question. Kind of a triangle which has 2 equal sides is dash. Yes, as per the definition of isosceles triangle, a triangle in which 2 sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Therefore, what is the correct answer from the given options? Isosceles triangle is the correct answer. Option C is correct one. Let us go for next question. Plane with 6 edges as its sides is called dash. You know that plane with 4 edges is called a quadrilateral. Plane with 4 edges is as its sides is called a pentagon. Plane with 6 edges as its sides is called a hexagon. Therefore, which is the correct answer? Option C, hexagon is the correct answer. Next question. Type of a polygon in which its all angles and sides are equal is classified as dash. Yes, according to definition of a regular polygon, a polygon in which all interior angles and sides are equal is called a regular polygon. Therefore, from the given options, which is the correct one? Option C, regular polygon is the correct answer. Let us go for next question. A plane which is formed by 3 straight edges as its sides is called. Yes, direct answer. A plane with a plane which is formed by 3 straight edges as its sides is called a triangle. Therefore, first option is the correct answer. Next question. Right angle triangle must have. If you take any right angle triangle, that right triangle tile must have only one right angle. Why? Because as the sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees, therefore if you take a two right angles, the sum of the interior angles must exceeds 180 degrees. So if you take any right angle, that must contain only one right angle. Therefore, what is the correct answer? Option C, one right angle is the correct answer. Let us go for next question. Thank you, children.